story that Times Now is tracking. Now, quickly shifting our focus ahead of the Congress rally in the national capital, some Congress leaders who were staging a protest in Delhi have now been detained. So some of the Congress workers ahead of the Halla Bol rally have been detained already in the national capital. Now remember, the Grand Old Party has planned protests against the BJP over price rise, unemployment, GST hike, with a big show of strength at Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan today itself. And those are some of the visuals that we are picking up of the Congress's Halla Bol rally. Times Now has been getting you visuals of these protests. Now, the cops have detained some of these Congress netas, is the latest bit of breaking news coming in. And those are essentially the kind of protests that viewers we are talking about. Several of those workers with the Congress flag marching on the streets of the national capital. Now, remember, the protests are to take place at Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan. This is in central Delhi. And in view of the Congress's protest, the Delhi police has also issued heavy traffic advisory. So let's see what really plays out with regards to these protests. But here's a quick report filed earlier on the same.
As you can see behind me, Congress workers here are resisting. They're pushing. The Delhi police personnel barricades have been laid down here, but they're resisting. They do not have the permission to march beyond a certain point. However, police was also caught off guard. Now they're trying to stop these Congress leaders from marching towards the Ram Leela Maidan. Earlier, like few meters away from this, we saw how Congress workers were pushing and wrestling with the Delhi police personnel here. But now they've reached till this point where they're barricading. There is a Delhi police bus here to detain them all, and we'll have to see what happens here. But as you can see, they are resisting. They're not budging from here. They're raising slogans of Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Zindabad, Vande Mataram, and were carrying out this march till Ram Leela Maidan for Mengai Pe Halla Bol rally that is going to be conducted there today. But they did not have a permission to walk and march towards Ram Leela Maidan, which is at least 2 kilometers from here. And as they were leaving, as Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary came out and Delhi police spoke to him, they said that they don't have a permission to go beyond a certain point. They can go only till 50 meters, after which they will be stopped. And that's what happened. As they crossed 50 meters, they were stopped by the Delhi police, but they resisted. But now, as you can see, I will request my camera person to just show it from this side. Congress workers are being detained because they did not have a permission to carry out this march. This is Akansh Kojuria for Times Now.
Tensions of some of the Congress workers that are taking place with regards to the situation on ground. We also get you more political voices because the Congress has been saying that these are issues that the common man continues to face, and this is the people's fight that the Congress is fighting in the country. Listen into what Pawan Khera of the Congress had to say.
देश में इस रैली को भारी समर्थन इसलिए मिल रहा है क्योंकि ये दो मुद्दे ऐसे हैं जिससे इस देश का कोई व्यक्ति अछूता नहीं रह गया। महंगाई और बेरोजगारी सबको परेशान करके रखा है। सिर्फ मोदी जी के हम दो हमारे दो छोड़ दो तो बाकी सब परेशान है। रैली से 24 घंटे पहले प्रतिक्रिया आनी शुरू हो जाए तो समझ लीजिए कि बड़ा खौफ है ऊपर।
Let me go across to Nyamika joining us live with more details. Nyamika, we did see those scenes come in from parts of the national capital where things did go out of hand. That also led to detention of some of the Congress workers who were staging the Halla Bol rally. What can you tell us about the current situation on ground though?
Right now we are standing here at the Ram Leela Maidan where this Halla Bol rally is being organized by the Congress party, and as you can see in the visuals as well, that there is a proper stage that has been set up by the Congress party in which all the CWC members, senior leaders as well as the chief ministers of Congress state governments are going to be there on the stage, and Rahul Gandhi is going to address this rally at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and there is a lot of people who have come here with the banners, with posters, flags of Congress party. They are all in favor of this rally. They are basically Congress party is continuously alleging that the central government is not ready to speak on the real issues which are basically about the inflation and price rise in the country. They are saying that the central government is trying to run away from all these matters and that is why they use this diversionary tactics and attacks the opposition leaders, and that is what they are doing today as well. Congress parties, many leaders have also said that they just want to raise these real issues, and that is the reason why Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is the LOP in Lok Sabha, has also marched from the Bengal Bhavan. He tried to come to Ramlila Maidan. However, many of the Congress workers got detained during that march, and they are basically saying that we just want a proper reply from the central government that why this inflation is rising in the country, because every common citizen of this country is facing issue because of this, and they have no reply on this matter.
All right, stay on with us and show us around, Niyamika, because it's important to really talk about what the Congress intends to do here. They'd announced the Halla Bol rally days ago. The situation did go out of hand because we saw several netas march towards the Ramlila Maidan. The police has said that permission was not sought for the same. So what's the situation there as far as the Ramlila Maidan episode goes, and the kind of preparations that have gone into place, because this is a big Halla Bol against the BJP that the Congress plans to carry all through the day?
Well, absolutely, this is the Ramlila Maidan, and I would also like to request my camera person to pan the camera and show the visuals that how much crowd is there. They are really excited about this Halla Bol rally. You can see that there are huge posters which are being placed here of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and other senior leaders as well, and they are just stating that Mehengai par Halla Bol. That is what the Congress party is taking the line, as they are saying that we want a reply from the central government about the real issues. They are raising this issue from a very long time. They also wanted a discussion in the parliament session as well, but the central government was not ready to do so, and that is the reason why the Congress party is organizing this rally here in the Ramlila Maidan. Many of the Congress leaders also tried to march to the Ramlila Maidan, but no permission was being sought by the Delhi police, and that is the reason why all these members, all these senior leaders got detained by the Delhi police. This also includes Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. He also tried to march to Ramlila Maidan, but during that march, many of the Congress leaders got detained. But when we tried to speak to the DPCC chairperson, who is Anil Chaudhary, he said that this is happening because the central government is scared of the fact that the Congress leaders are raising the real issues of this country, because inflation and price rise is something which every person gets affected because of that, and that is the reason why they are reacting in such a manner. Because earlier today we have also seen that a tweet came from the BJP spokesperson Shehzad Poonawala, in which he has said that this is basically a relaunch of Rahul Gandhi. So on that matter also, Anil Chaudhary replied that they don't have any kind of answer on these matters, on the inflation and price rise, and that is the reason why they are using these diversionary tactics. You can see in the visuals that this rally is basically started here because many of the Congress leaders have also started arriving here. CWC members will also be reaching here after some time, and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will be here at around 1 o'clock. He will address this rally at around 1 o'clock, and they are also saying there is basically we can say that this is basically a preparation for the 2024 general elections as well, because Congress is continuously attacking the BJP for not addressing the real issues of this country. They are saying that they uses other issues of caste and religion. They just want to raise these kind of matters, but they are not ready to speak about the inflation, price rise, unemployment in the country, economic situation, and that is the reason why Congress has organized this rally in Ramlila Maidan, and very soon there is going to be a proper address by many of the senior leaders as well, which also includes Congress Party's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well as former President Rahul Gandhi, and we would like to see that what they are trying to do in future as well, because this is basically saying that the Congress Party has blown the bugle for the 2024 general elections through this rally.
All All right. Now, the Congress has, Nyamika, come out and said that this has nothing to do with elections or 2024 for that matter. Jairam Ramesh has sent out that message. He says this is an agitation, a halla bol against the BJP to bring out the insensitivities of the BJP with regards to the issues that continue to trouble the common man. So they're ruling out anything that halla bol has to do with 2024 elections.
मैं सैल्यूट करता हूं मेरे इन कांग्रेस के परिवार के साथियों को, मेरे इन कांग्रेस के सज्जनों प्रेमियों और साथियों को जिन्होंने
Well, that is because they just don't want to speak about the preparation for the 2024 general elections. But when we had also spoken to the DPCC chief Anil Chaudhary, he said that the bugle for the election has been blown by the Congress party today because they are basically raising these matters which should be addressed in the elections as well, because inflation, price rise, economic situation, unemployment, these are all the matters which affect every single citizen of this country. So that is the reason why Congress party is raising these matters. And on the other hand, we have also seen that Congress party had also organized in Udaipur Chintan Shivir, in which they had passed a resolution about this matter as well. And apart from that, Congress is also going to organize a Bharat Jodo Yatra, which is going to begin from 7th of September, in which all the Congress leaders are going to travel from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. They are going to be there in every single important cities throughout the route and to raise these matters which are there in the country, whether it is about the unemployment or the economic situation. So that can be seen basically a preparation for the 2024 general elections, because all the senior leaders are going to be there. They are going to portray Rahul Gandhi as the face of Congress party, and that is what they are trying to do in this rally as well. They are just portraying Rahul Gandhi as the face of Congress party, who can give a befitting reply to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because
चाहे वो खाद्य के तेल हो, अनाज हो, दैनंदिनी उपयोग की वस्तुएं हैं, उसकी कीमतें आसमान छू रही है। आम जनता त्रस्त है और इसीलिए अखिल भारतीय कांग्रेस कमेटी ने आज महंगाई के खिलाफ हल्ला बोल का आयोजन किया गया है और आज मुख्य रूप से राहुल जी इसको एड्रेस करेंगे।
So you heard the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel there talk about Congress's plans all through the day. But viewers, a quick update before I go back to Nyamika. Now remember, to put this in perspective, this comes amidst a lot of defections that have been taking place within the Congress. Talk about the exit of Ghulam Nabi Azad and the slew of resignations that have followed ever since. Also comes at an important time because the Congress president elections are also going to be held in just a few days, and in that sense a lot of questions being asked on whether or not this is optics at play here right ahead of that big announcement that comes in. Of course, demands being raised to maintain transparency as well all through the presidential elections in the Congress party. So yes, we keep up with these visuals of the high drama that also played out on the streets, with cops detaining some of the Congress workers as they were marching towards the Ramleela Maidan. Nyamika continues to stay on with us. Nyamika, take us through the list of Congress leaders who have begun to arrive at the Ramleela Maidan. But before that, let's quickly play out another political reaction coming in of Jairam Ramesh. Listen in.
आज महंगाई पर हल्ला बोल, बहुत विशाल रैली है। राजस्थान, हरियाणा, पंजाब, यूपी, मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात, सारे राज्यों से लोग आ रहे हैं। महंगाई, सबसे बड़ी चिंता जनता में महंगाई के बारे में है। जिस मूर्खतापूर्ण तरीके से जीएसटी लगाया गया है खाद्य पदार्थों पर, इससे महंगाई बढ़ी है। महंगाई तो बढ़ रही है, उसके साथ साथ बेरोजगारी भी बढ़ रहा है। तो इसीलिए हम कहते हैं मोदी सरकार के दो भाई, बेरोजगारी और महंगाई।
So the Congress says that we're taking the issues of people to the streets via the Halla Bol rally that's going to be playing out all through the day. With that, it's time for us to head into a short break. News and updates continue. Don't go anywhere.